Why do you need a course to understand the Grassland Vegetation Inventory? Isn't it just a map layer you turn on? It's a powerful tool. What's keeping you from using it? Maybe you think it doesn't contain information that you think you can use. Perhaps the complexity of the information makes it hard to find an entry point. Whatever the case, knowing how to use this powerful tool will allow you to MacGyver the geospatial layer to find solutions for a variety of applications. Grassland Vegetation Inventory, or GVI, is a freely available geospatial dataset that covers southern Alberta. The GVI dataset includes point, line, and polygon layers. GVI also provides a land cover classification system that can be applied throughout Alberta. The land cover classes within GVI are called site types. Site types are the quintessential land management unit. The GVI dataset is available at no cost from the Government of Alberta, but is subject to the terms of the Open Government License. Despite its name, GVI is a biophysical and land use inventory, not just a vegetation inventory. Unlike many layers, the GVI dataset is useful at many scales, adding to the versatility of this tool, for both site-specific and landscape-level uses. SALMTEC's GVI course, which blends online self-paced content with online quizzes, offline activities, and to ensure that students understand the course content, a scheduled interactive class followed by an online exam, can help you use this multi-tool to its fullest. Let's look at a few examples of ways to use GVI that will be unlocked by the skills and processes you will learn in the SALMTEC course. GVI can be used to review wildlife habitat on the landscape. In addition to the tree data associated with polygons, there are also points and lines that represent trees not captured within the polygons. These three sources of tree information make it great for determining where raptor nest surveys might be needed. GVI is an essential tool for wetland authenticating professionals working in southern Alberta. GVI includes lentic site types, which are roughly correlated to the Alberta Wetland Classification System. So GVI can be used as part of a pre-filled desktop review, and as a second opinion on a wetland class. However, GVI uses complex polygons which can have more than one site type in each polygon. Therefore, it can require some interpretation to extract the data you need. This is covered in SALMTEC's GVI course. Recently, municipal and provincial regulators have included GVI in their policies. The City of Calgary published their Ecological Inventory Framework for Area Structure Plans in 2016, which requires professionals completing an ecological inventory to use GVI as the basis for mapping and classifying land cover. The Government of Alberta published the Guide for Conservation Assessments in Native Grasslands in 2018. Proponents are required to utilize GVI, if available, for their project area. They are also required to map GVI to fill in any gaps, or refine mapping to an appropriate scale, by mapping complex polygons at a finer scale. Interested in learning more? The SALMTEC course blends online self-paced content with offline activities, which collectively take about 8 hours to complete, then tops it off with an interactive online class, regularly scheduled at the end of the typical fall and winter academic semesters. Click the link in the comments below to register for the course, and immediately start learning about this amazing geospatial multi-tool, which everyone should have in their toolkit.